Okay, now right. So many people they written. Okay, now so many people they written. Okay, right. But how they written here? Observe. How they written here? Observe. So all of you written number of queries. Okay, they written number of queries, right? Okay, for to finding the third highest salary, to finding third highest salary purpose. Okay, now, but now let me see. So now let me see guys here. So how they written means up to here as it is, I was taken guys, as it is, I'm taking here. So again we are sending our and from EMP. So first inner. Okay, so here three times I return, and now I'm going to executing guys here and see the 2975 is the third highest salary employee details we are going to be finding guys. We are going to be finding. Okay, now so now, but here the question is, okay, here the question is, suppose if I need to write now, okay now. So this is third highest salary we written like. But the next question, suppose are you going to some interview level, interview person is asking to you, the next question is, so write a query to find out, okay, the 30th highest salary employee details I want to find. Okay, now, so what is the question here? The 30th highest salary employee who was getting the 30th highest salary in my table. So that person details I want it now. Now, can you tell me, guys, as per this scenario, how many times we need to write a queries, or how many queries we need to write here? Any idea? Come on, guys, any idea? Yes. So as a simple thing, can you identify here? When I was find out first highest salary, okay, then I written two queries. I written two queries, one outer query, one inner query. When I find out the second highest salary, I returns three queries. I returns one outer query, two inner queries. Same to same. When I find out your third highest salary, are you return four queries, one outer query, three inner queries. Understand my point now? So let you see. So the third highest salary, how many queries? This is one. This is two. This is three. Three inner, and this is outer. So that means four queries we written. Four query statements we written. 4 query statements were written. Yes or no? So when you're writing the 4 query statements like this, okay, when you're writing 4 query statements like this, now can you identify the situation what it was happening here? Can you identify the situation what it was happening here? Okay, now it was same like this technique how it was working. This technique means if I want to find out nth highest salary, if I want to find out nth highest salary, then we are writing n plus 1 times we are writing. We are writing n plus 1 times we are writing. Yes or no? Come on, guys. Yes or no? Right? Yes, definitely. So as per this formula, so my question is what now? The question is your interview question, 30th highest salary. It means that how many queries I need to write means 31 queries I need to write. Suppose are you going to one more interview, he's asking to you 150th highest salary I want it here. So you are writing 151 queries. Okay, you need to write. But tell me guys, are you writing like this? Are you writing these many queries? No, we cannot. Then the people questioning to you, okay, how to overcome, this problem? How to overcome this problem? This question is coming to us. Sir, how to overcome this problem? Because we can't write that many times, we can't write queries. Okay, so that how to overcome, sir? So generally, this question will come to you guys. Okay, na? So, and this problem, how to overcome, that we will see in coming classes. That means in this only, in the subquery classes only, but after few subqueries are completed, I will tell you. Okay, now? So up to there, you just wait here, and I just keep it this question, and the problem I just keep it, and solution we will see after some more subqueries are completed. Okay, now up to there you have to wait. Now this is single row subquery in non-correlated category. Second, what is the second one here, guys? Here, multiple row subquery. The second type is called as a multiple row subquery. So multiple row subquery, what it means when a subquery returns more than one value, is called as multiple row subquery. We called is called as multiple row subquery. We called. Okay, now right. But in this multiple row subquery, what I said, returns more than one value. Then we called as a multiple row subquery. We call. But in this multiple row subquery, which kind of operator can I use? Means I can use the following operators. The following operators. Or which operators are supported means in, okay, any, and all. So these are the three operators, guys, here, which can use under subqueries. Okay, now which can use under subqueries. So already in operator we discuss in our early classes. Right? So now what is this any and all? These are two special operators, and these operators especially we are using under subqueries only. Okay, na? Especially we are using under subqueries only. In normal queries, we can't use it. Okay, so that's why we are learning here. We are learning in this concept. So what is and what is all? Okay, and how it was working in our subqueries. So we will check out. So, but before that, we will see some examples on, first of all, in operator, how it was supporting to us. In operator, how it was supporting to us. First, we will check out. Okay, right. Let you see, guys. Carefully observe. So very simple and carefully observe. So one example I want to give it. So write a query to display employee whose employee job is same as whose employee job is same as the job of employee Smith, the job of employee Smith, comma Smith, comma clerk. Okay, now the question carefully observe, guys, here. The question carefully observe, guys, here. So write a query to display employee whose employee job is same as the job of the employee Smith, comma clerk. Okay, now, right. So first, what I need to find out, guys, here. First, what I need to find out. Come on. First, what we need to find out. So first, I need to find out what now, guys, here. Yes. So first of all, we need to find out Smith and Clark, these two employees, okay, working in which job. So first I need to find out the job of the employee Smith and Clark. Okay, let you see. Come to our table EMP. Okay, now. So now we are first inner query. What is our inner query? Select job from EMP where E name is equals to Smith or E name is equals to Clark. E name is equals to Clark. So now we can see your inner query returns single value or more than one value. Can you identify? Tell me, guys. Your inner query returns single value or multiple values? How many values was written, guys, here? How many values was written? More than one value, right? So more than one value written, one is clerk and one is manager. The more than one value was written here. So whenever your subquery or inner query returns more than one value, then it is called as a multiple row subquery we call. Okay, now? Then outer query, can you see? I'm writing like this: select star from EMP. Suppose where job is equals to inner query I'm using now. For example, where job is equals to inner query. But inner query returns more than one value, but this more than one value comparison purpose we are using equal operator. But in the previous classes, what we discussed, equal operator, less than operator, greater than, these operators we are using to comparing only single value purpose. But here I'm using equal for comparing multiple values purpose. Is it possible? No, not possible. And showing some error. That error is what now you can see. Yes, we got it error. What it was telling, single row subquery returns more than one row. So more than one row, your single row subquery returning. That's why you can't use it equal. Equal, I can use only single row. But unfortunately, my subquery returns more than one value. So I can't use it. Then what I want to do, sir, means, yes, in place of equal, I can use what now? In operator. I can use what now? In operator, and same as it is, I'm giving now and to execute it now. So whose job is similar to Smith and clerk, the remaining all people are displayed, same job people are displaying along with your Smith and clerk. Okay, now? So this is what. But guys, here I'm using R operator, but in place of R operator, can I use like this? Can I use like this? E name in of Smith, comma, Clark. Can I use it? Can I use it? Yes, I can. So it is also same output I can sort. Okay, now, so this is what we call as, and in operator we are using because of reason your subquery returns more than one value. Okay, now, right. In the same pattern, one more example, let you find out. Suppose write a query to display, write a query to display employee, display employee who's, sorry, display employee who are getting, who are getting, who are getting the maximum, getting the maximum salary from each job wise. So the question is, from each job wise, which employee is getting maximum salary? That employee's details I want to display. Okay, so what I want to do, sir, here getting maximum salary from each job. It means that come to my table. So when come to my table in a job column, how many jobs are there, guys? Here, carefully tell me, how many jobs are there? How many jobs are there, guys? Here, yes, total 5 jobs are there. Total how many jobs? 5 jobs. So one is clerk, one is a salesman, one is the analyst, one is manager and president. So there are 5 different jobs are there. And now first what I need to find out, from each job wise maximum salary I want to find out. From each job wise maximum salary I want to find out. Now tell me guys, how to find out maximum salary from each job wise? Come on, any guessing? What I want to do, what I want to get maximum salary from each job. Yeah, maximum salary, okay, or maximum function, okay. That is not I'm asking. What I want to do to get a maximum salary. Each job means first what I want to do. Come on. Only two people are given. Only two people are given. Yes, Vijay Lakshmi, good. Three people. Ah, each job, how to find out? I already discussed with you. Which class? Which class? Yes, group by class we need to use. See, each job immediately have to use a group by class. So now I want to write. How to write? Select job, comma, max of salary from EMP. Which class? Group by. Which class? Group by job. So what I did here, from each job, I'm getting my maximum salary. From each job, I'm getting here maximum salary. Okay, each job I'm getting from clerk maximum 1300, salesman 16, president 5, manager 2975, analyst. And these maximum salaries which employee is getting, those employee details. But before I want to get a details, this is your inner query, is nothing but subquery. Subquery returns how many values, guys? Single value or more than one value? More than one value. So more than one value means, can I go for equal operator, less than greater than operators? No. So now what I want to use, in operator I'm using. Where? What do you say? Where? Salary in offer. Select max of salary from EMP. So group by job column, let you see to execute. So now we can see in the clerk job, highest salary 1300 Miller, salesman Helen, president King, and Jones manager and analyst, two people are there, they're getting. So this is how to find out the maximum salary from each job here. Okay now, right. So these are like a in operator you can use whenever it was returns more than one value. This is in operations. But what about any and all, sir? What about any and all, sir? Means yes. Now let me see. Now we will work with any and all. But before that, first a definition you have to read. First one, any. Any operator is one of the special operator. This operator we are using, okay, otherwise it returns a value, it returns a value, okay. If any values or if any value in the list is 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 true value, if any value in the list is true with with the given conditional value, then it returns a value. Okay, any operator, it returns a value if any value in the list is satisfied or true with the given conditional value, then it is returns, otherwise not written here. How it is, for example, just observe, carefully observe. It's a very simple. So now suppose I'm giving x greater than any of some list of values I'm passing 10 comma 20 comma 30, some list of values I'm passing 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay. Now, if x value, suppose I'm passing, if x value, x is equals to, suppose 40, I'm sending, x is equals to 40. Then this 40, I want to take place in place of x, I'm taking 40. That means in place of x, 40, I substituted. So this a conditional value. This is called a conditional value. So now this conditional value, I want to compare with the all values in the list, and wherever condition true, they're returning value. For example, let you tell me, 40 is greater than 10. Condition true or false? 40 is greater than 10. Condition true or false? Condition true or? Yes. Condition is true. So it a written value. Same to say, 40 is greater than 20. Each and every value comparing, each and every value checking. Okay, now 40 is greater than 20. Condition true or false? Yes, condition true. Then it is also returns. 40 is greater than 30. Condition true or false? Yes, true. True. So here, tell me guys here, the given conditional value in the list of values, any one will be true. What I said, if any value in the list is true with a given condition, then the value will be returns. But here, unfortunately, all values are true. But unfortunately, I'm expecting any one only. I'm expecting. If any one true, return true. But here all are written true, then can I say happily, x is equals to 40, can I say happily it returns true now? Come on guys, can I say happily it returns true? Yes, definitely it returns true. Okay, I just keep it. Suppose next attempt, x is equals to, I was given 9. If I substituted in place of x, if I'm substituted 9, okay, net compare, 9 greater than 10. Condition true or false? 9 greater than 10. False, right? 9 greater than 20. So it is also false. 9 greater than 30. So all are what? All are false. So all are false means definitely, okay, this conditional value returns what now guys here? False only. Okay, fine. Next, x is equals to 25. Now in place of x, I'm passing a 25. Now compare 25 greater than 10. 25 greater than 10. True. Okay. 25 greater than 20. True. But 25 greater than 30. False. But any operator, what it was telling, any one in the given list is satisfied by given conditional values, then it returns true now. So finally, x is equals to 25. X is equals to 25. What it returns, guys, here? True. So this is any. This is any. Understand now? Next, all. All means what now? It returns a value. It returns a value. Okay, if all values in the list is true with the given conditional value. So here any one value is said. Any one value. Any one value. But here I said all values. Okay now? Let you see. Now same example I will explain to you. X greater than all of 10 comma 20 comma 30. So same I will take it here. If x is equals to 40, compare here. X is equals to 40. I want to take here 40 greater than 10. Condition true. Yes, definitely. 40 is greater than 20. True. Yes, definitely. 40 is greater than 30. True. So that means all values in the list. True now? Then it returns true. Then it returns true. Yes, definitely it returns true. Same to same, x is equals to 0, 9. 0, 9 is greater than 10. False. 0, 9 is greater than 20. False. 0, 9 is greater than 30. False. It means all are false. All are false means what it returns? What it returns? False only. X is equals to 25. Now compare 25 here. X is equals to 25. 25 greater than 10. 25 is greater than 10. True. 25 is greater than 20. True. 25 is greater than 30. False. So true, true, false. But here my requirement is what? All values in the list is true. But if two values in the list are true, one value is false, then what it returns? Then what it returns? Yes, false only. So this is any and all operators, how to comparing each and every value in the list. All means all values in the list should be true, then only returning value. Any means any one of the value in the list is true, then only returning values. Now all of you understand the definitions of all and any. Yes. So now let you see example. Let you see example. Write a query to display employee whose salary is his salary is more than any salesman. Okay now? Write a query to display employee whose salary is more than any salesman. More than any salesman salary. So question understand. I hope that question understand all of you. All of you clear question? Come on, guys. Are you clear my question? Display employee whose salary is more than any salesman's salary. Okay. So first of all, what I want to do in the first case, can you tell me what I want to do first one? First I need to find out salaries of salesmen. Salaries of salesmen. Okay, now right. Let you come. Let you come. Select the star from EMP table. So first I need to come out. Select salary from EMP where job is equals to salesman. So salesman's total 4 people are there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The 4 salesman salaries are we taken out. The 4 employees, that means salesmen, how many employees salesmen means we have 4 employees working as a salesman. Working as a salesman. And those 4 employees salesman's salaries are returning us. Okay now, right. Now, in this, any one salesman salary you can compare. Suppose which is more than any one salesman salary. Yes, of course, that is a true and returning us. So outer query, how to write outer query? Select the star from EMP where salary is greater than of any. Salary is greater than of any. Inner query is what now? Select the sal from EMP where job is equals to salesman. Job is equals to salesman. So let you see, guys. Yes. So these are the employees. Their salary is more than any one salesman salary. Okay, now you can see first of 5,000 you can substitute. For example, as per result, I'm substituting here. 5,000 I'm substituting, for example. So your salary, how much, guys, here? Salary, how much here? 5,000. Okay, salary 5,000. 5,000 greater than any offer. Inner core result what now? 1,600, comma 1,250, comma 1,250, comma 1,500. Okay now? Understanding my question now? Yes. Now compare now. 51 is greater than 1,600. Condition true? Condition true? Yes, true. 1,500 is greater than 1,250. True. 1,250. True. And 1,500 is also true. So here all are truths. But my question is what? Anyone, if it is satisfied, then returning value. But here all are satisfied. Yes or no? Anyone I need to satisfy. But here all are satisfied. So that means, can I say, guys, here, this is successfully returning this value, king. Understand? So this is the way it was comparing. Understanding now? This is the way it was comparing. Okay, now, like each and every employee you can see. For example, 1,300 you can see. 1,300 is greater than 1,600. Oh, satisfied. 1,300 is greater than 1,600. Yes, satisfied happily. This is also satisfied. Sorry, 1,300 is greater than 600, not satisfied. False. But this is satisfied now. This is false. This is false. But this is true. So anyone is true, then returning true. Anyone is true, then returning true. That's why 1,300 came. That's why 1,300 came. Suppose you can check 1,500. 1,500 greater than 600. False. 1,250. True. 1,250. True. But it is also false. But anyone is true now. So that's why 1,500 came. So understanding now, my point understanding now. So this kind of all values of salesman job, salaries, whatever it is, each and every value checking, but any one is satisfied, then return true. Okay, this is any. In the next example, okay, if I'm asking the next example question, what is the next question for this? Okay, write a query to display employee whose salary is more than all salesman salaries. More than all salesman salaries. So you're not only one, each and every salesman salary must and should be satisfied. Then only returns. If any one is not satisfied, then not return value. Let you see up to here, I have to take everything will be same, but here I'm using all operator, inner query also same. And let you see. Now only 29282453. Now 2975 you can check. 2975 is greater than 1600, greater than 1250, greater than 1500. So all are satisfied. Huh? Come on, guys. All are true, 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 true. Come on, all are true, 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 true. Yes, all are true. 2850 2850 is a more than 16, more than 1250, more than 1500. All are true, 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 true. Come on, guys. All are true, 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 true. Right. Like this, you can see. Next one. 2450 is all are true, true, true. 3000, 5000, 3000. So these all are true, 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 true. All salesman salaries. Understand now? So this is all operator. That means each and every value in the list should be true with the given conditional list. So now finally got it. So this is all and any operators, how to use it. Okay now? Right. So these are in all any, these three operators we are using under multiple row subqueries. Okay, now this is multiple row, how it was working. Let you see next one. What is the next one is called as here? Multiple column subquery. The next type of subquery is multiple column. So guys, carefully identify as of now, in single row subquery, in multiple row subquery, in where class condition I'm using, single column I'm comparing here. And single column values I'm comparing, see. So see, single columns I'm comparing here. So where single column. So in my subquery, outer query statement, where class, single column only comparing. That's why it is called either single or multiple row subqueries. We are using only single column values comparison purpose. My point, observe, single row, multiple row. What we did, we are comparing only single column only we compare. Okay now. But your name is what now here? Multiple column. That means how many columns data can I compare here? Single column values or multiple columns values? Yes, multiple columns. So that's why the definition, observe guys here. Definition of the observe. When we compare or comparing multiple columns values of inner query. Okay, when we compare, okay, when we are comparing multiple columns values of inner query with the with the with the multiple columns values of outer query is called as outer query is called as multiple column subquery, we call it, is called as multiple column subquery, we call it. So multiple columns values of inner query comparing with the multiple columns values of outer query is called as a multiple row subquery, or sorry, multiple column subqueries, we call it. Now the syntax, observe carefully, the syntax will be select a star from EMP, see where of, here I want to pass number of column, so column name 1 comma column name 2 comma and so on. So in my where clause condition, carefully observe, in my where clause condition, how many columns I'm passing here? Multiple columns I'm passing. So multiple columns I'm passing in my where class in of inner query, select column name 1 comma column name 2 comma and so on from table name from table name and close. So now we can see outer query where class condition multiple columns I'm using, and inner query also I'm calling multiple columns I'm calling from the table. So every multiple column values of inner query compare with the multiple column values of outer. So now guys, tell me definition, all of you clear up? Come on guys, definition and syntax, all of you clear now? Okay, right, this is definition and syntax. Okay, now let me see some example, you will get some idea. Write a query to display employee, whose employee display employee whose employee job comma mgr columns values or data or values, whatever data is same as is same as is same as is same as same as same as the columns job, same as the columns job comma mgr of employee, okay, of employee is Scott. So I want to display employee whose employee job mgr is the same as the job mgr of employee Scott. Now tell me guys, first what we want to do, what we need to find out first, Scott employee job comma mgr data I need to find out. Scott employee job comma mgr I need to find out. Yes or no? Come on guys, yes or no? Yes. So how I'm writing carefully observe. So this is complete your table. Now observe inner query. I'm inner query writing. Inner query got job comma mgr from emp where e name is equals to who is the name Scott. Now tell me your inner query returns how many columns values? Single column or multiple columns? Come on. Come on, guys. Your inner query returns single column or multiple column? Job is there and MGR is there. Understand my point? Job is one column here and MGR is another column. So here how many columns returns? How many columns are you calling? Select command, you can see how many columns calling? Two columns. Two columns. Right? So inner query returns multiple columns values. Now outer query I'm writing. Outer query I'm writing. Select a star from EMP where of here also same na job comma mgr. This is outer query. In operator of inner query, select job comma mgr from emp where e name is equals to Scott. Where e name is equals to Scott. So Scott employee job mgr columns data is the same as which employee? Can you see? Scott employee job is what now? Analyst. MGR number is what now? 7566. The same job, same number. Is there anybody? Is there anybody? Is there anybody? Yeah, we have a fraud also there. So fraud, yes. So fraud job same as Scott. Same as Scott. Same as Scott. Okay, now right. So that is called as a multiple columns values of inner query comparing with the multiple columns values of outer query is known as multiple columns values of outer query is called as a multiple column support. Okay, now. Okay, now. So this is what we called as, guys, here multiple column. So very simple. Two columns, more than one column comparison. That's it. More than one column comparison. Okay, right, yes. So now I stop it here, and tomorrow we will continue the next level of subqueries, whatever it was there. Okay, right, yes. Thank you so much.